back to my channel, please do like this video, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So I'm sure you've been wondering how to download your favorite videos from YouTube to your phone. So there's this beautiful app that is here to help you. It is called Black Hole Cut. So I'm going to be showing you how to use this app in order to download your favorite movies and videos to your phone. So first, we're going to go to YouTube. We're going to find that video that you really want to have on your phone so bad. So let's say this. Okay, let's go for this. So we're going to click on this share icon here. Let's click on it. Then you copy the link. Copy. It's copied. So we'll go back to Play Store to download this app. Okay, so we're going to search for Black Hole Cut, which is here. Click on it, and then you open. See, it's already been downloaded to this phone, so we're just gonna go straight and open it up. So this app does come with ads, so you have to be really patient. Okay, we're here now. So you click on this round button here, click on it, say please wait. Oh, it's downloading now, so the video is actually downloading to this app right now. I assure you this is so easy and so simple. Okay, 7. That's really good, guys. Like, it's definitely going to download to 100% before we're able to see it in the app and also in our gallery. So we have to wait in order to get to our goal. So it's complete. Yes, so you're going to click on this download icon there. You click on it, and here it is in your Black Hole app. So you can click on it to see if it's going to play, and of course it's playing. So you'll just okay, let's roll it to the end so that we can see it in the gallery. Let's go check in the gallery. So look at it here. There's a black hole, and this is the video that we downloaded. You can play it and see that it is for real. Okay, and it was certified that it really works. That's just all you have to do. Now you have this video on your phone. You can do whatever that pleases you to do with the video. Thank you.